welcome back to my channel. Welcome. I am finally back. Did you guys miss me? Because I missed you guys. I missed you guys so much. I'm just joking. Yeah, but I really missed you guys. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. I know you guys have questions. Where have you been? Where have you gone? I had so many personal issues and so many personal drama in my life, and I didn't have the right equipment, but I'm finally back and I'm here to stay. So if you are new to my channel, welcome honey, welcome to the sisterhood, to the brotherhood, to the whatever it's called. Thank you so much for joining my very little family at the moment. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to this channel. As you can see, your sister needs subscribers. Honey, I need to grow. But thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. But before we go on, can you guys look what's behind me? What's my side? Guys, if you know me, you know I have an obsession with plants. I'm just gonna show you guys. I am so proud of this. Look at this. Look at this. I literally planted these, and they are actually grown just so by the way. I have an obsession when it comes to flowers. Just I love plants and I love flowers so much. And look at her. She's big now. She's so cute. She is so cute. Oh, she's so happy. But yes, that is her. I love her, guys. She's my baby, and she's real. She looks so fake, but today I'm going to be doing a beginner. Well, I'm actually showing you guys how to do box braids twist. So for those who want to learn how to braid on clients, say for those who want to earn a little bit of income, you want to make a little extra by doing your hair, I got you, honey. I am here. I got you. Okay? So I'm going to give you guys a little tutorial. I'm not going to do it on my own hair. My hair's damaged just about the way. But I have a client. This is my best friend, my sister, my sweetheart, my everything. So I'm going to show you how to do a box braid twist on her head. So you guys can practice and learn and practice and practice. Because practice makes perfect, guys. So you guys can earn that little extra income. If you want to become a hairstylist, you just have to watch and learn. I'm going to show you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm in an empty room. My room is empty, so it's gonna be the sound. I don't know if you can hear this funny sound. Anywho, so she's gonna be using this packet by Darling. It's a grey and black. I don't know if you guys can see it in the shade. In the shade. This is not a Miyake braid too. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like this basically. It's a very rubbish color, but anyway, the girl made her choice. You don't do her hair with this color hair. So she mixed it with black, and it's like, I don't know what color is this, but it's gray. So when you before braiding your hair, when you take it out the packet, you have to take the hair by the end of the fiber, and then you just start like pulling it so thinly so you can create an even line. You take it out of your braid and you start pulling it like this at the end so it can be nice and straight. You take a comb, maybe an Afro comb or whatever comb it may be, and then you start like combing it so you can, get some nice shape. So okay, my client. My best friend. I'm gonna start off by drying her hair because she looks So you're going to start off by lining here, right at the end. Make a straight line. Now you see this line, you you can make it on how big and how small you want it. If you want it like thin, then you're gonna have to cut smaller lines. But if you want it big, and then you cut bigger lines. So this is box braids. So I'm just gonna make like 4 lines here at the back because it's medium size. So I'm just gonna make 4 lines like that, like so. And then I'll make another one. And another one. Now, as you can see, I'm going to start off by here, make another line from here. Yeah, the most rubbish is I'm going to take this, because this is going to be in my way, this is going to interfere with my box. So I'm just going to take this little one here. And from there, I can create a straight line from here. So like this. From here, all the way around. I'm using the picking up method because I don't like actually I'm using the rolling method because I don't like the picking up method. I'm not picking it up properly, my hands are so oily. So I'm just gonna like twist that like that. If you know how to braid, then you know what I'm talking about. Repeat the same method on the other side. And after that, you just take, because you see here is, so this is what I'm going to do to create a perfect straight line. You can either do that, have a perfect straight line, but it's going to be thinner than the others, or so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a line from here to here in the center of her face, so the box braids can go like this and she can have equal boxes. So I'm going to zip up this. And then here, as you can see, this box is on the, okay, from this side, as you can see, she has no hair here, oh, she's a place. We can take, she has a place, so I'm gonna take my comb from here to like this, so we can have equal boxes. So this can get out of the way, and when I do this box, I follow this line directly on a straight line, so we can have equal boxes. Or, because if I do not do that, I'll do this straight, and then I'll have one big chunk of braid, which is not gonna look nice. So, what my lady's gonna do is I'm gonna take this side off, because this is a bother to me, and I know it's gonna be a bother to many stylists. That, I'm gonna braid that, and then I'll take that, and then I'm gonna start following this line over here, all the way until I am by the back side, until I'm done. I'm just gonna put this end in hot water so we can keep the braids. So we can keep it in, yeah, so it cannot come loose. So we only put it in hot water. But please be careful when you're doing this. It's not meant for everyone to do, or else you'll burn your client, and I don't want accidents to happen. Let's put it on. Let's listen up. So I'm just going to use this almond oil just to like oil her scalp. You can use spray to give her like more of a shine, but if she prefers oil, you can go ahead and use oil. I'm just going to go directly in her scalp and not on the braids. This is it, guys. This is the finishing look. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. You've seen so many likes. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mimosa's channel. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Say mwah. Mwah. Kiss again. Kiss them. Kiss them. Mwah.
Don't forget to order yours at takealot.com.
Don't forget to order your cute little baby on takealot.com.